we're back in the kitchen, and this morning we're making microwave omelets. Super easy and delicious. You're gonna need a bowl, 2 eggs, tablespoon of mayonnaise, not salad dressing, whisk. Now you're ready for whatever toppings you want. Some hot peppers. Homemade. That's fine. Bacon, not optional. Give that a little stir. 1 minute. It's only been 50 seconds. I didn't clean the garage. Just want to give it a little shredded cheese. I promise I ain't near this fancy. We're just out of shredded cheese. 30 more seconds. Oh. Wait, you don't get to see it yet. Beautiful. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Later, Tater.